I am Mohammed Iliyas, popularly known as Iliyas in the IT industry over the past 50 years, working as a technical manager at Trends. I have been delivering various database technologies like Oracle, MS SQL Server, Sybase, DB2 in multiple tracks: developer track, admin track, performance tuning, along with Microsoft Business Intelligence. Provided services in more than 90 plus clients across the globe. Among them, the few clients where I have delivered more than 10 batches in multiple courses like Verizon, Accenture, Honeywell, Wipro, Infosys, and many more. Presenting the demo on Microsoft SQL Server 2008 Business Intelligence. Before switching to this topic, first of all, we have to know the few basic terminologies like data, information, knowledge, and correlating with the data warehouse and business intelligence. First of all, take the data. Data is defined as a collection of raw facts and figures, and the information is defined as collection of meaningful data. Sometimes we'll get the confusion with respect to the word called information. That's why I would like to give the one small demo in the form of example. Just consider the data as a collection of raw facts like 1, 12, 1.4, 2, 12, and among them just consider this particular table, the information which is nothing but process data, and here I am processing the data and then it is forming a sentence like a meaningful sentence called participant times for 100-meter run. So how many times, but it gives the clarity. So here the clarity we are getting only after doing the process. So the process data we are identifying here as information, and with the help of information we can extract the knowledge. Just like participants number 2 is the fastest in the age group. Take one more example to understand in more clear manner with a very close daily life example. Consider the data of students of 3 subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, and consider this one as input data and do the process. Process is nothing but here the putting some effort on data. Here I am doing the efforts in the form of addition, division, and comparison. Just like addition we are finding like a total, division we are finding like a percentage, and the comparison we are finding like each subject marks we are comparing, then we are allocating the results. Based on the percentage we are allocating the divisions. So after doing the process we are extracting some information over here about the students, and with the help of this information I am getting the knowledge to know that how many students have got the division first. So it gives a very clear picture here, the only 2 students got the first division. So these 3 terms are very closely, you can say that, correlated. Without data there is no information, and without information there is no knowledge. And towards that side only, just I am raising the few questions before switching to the data warehouse. Consider, let us take one simple example as a producer point of view. Always the producer will have this kind of common queries as a part of their business. The producer wants to know which are our lowest and highest margin customers, and who are my customers and what products they are buying, and what is the most effective distribution channel, what impact will have the new products and the new services over the revenue and margins. And for giving the answers for this all queries, we require data. Data is available, but data is available in a different format, in different versions, in different places. For extracting this particular data, we require some experts. And if you go on appointing the experts for analyzing the data, overall the cost of analyzing gets increased. So that for overcoming from this kind of problem only, we are switching to the data warehouse side. So now I want to explain you what is data warehouse. Data warehouse is defined as a single, complete and consistent store of data obtained from the variety of different sources and made available to the end user for their business context. And after this data warehouse, just I am switching towards the topic what exactly I highlighted, this called as business intelligence. The business intelligence is defined as implementing a data warehouse on any business using some set of tools is called as business intelligence. So Microsoft is introduced from the SQL Server 2005 version onwards 3 set of tools like SQL Server Integration Services, SQL Server Analysis Services, SQL Server Reporting Services as a set of tools as BI tools. Let's take demo on SSIS. For creating the SSIS packages, go back to the Microsoft SQL Server Business Intelligence Development Studio. Click on File menu, New Project. From the Business Intelligence type, select the template called Integration Service Project. Then create a new package. In the Solution Explorer, we are identifying the file name as package.dtsx. On the left hand side, we are observing the toolbox which contains the all items. These items are known as actually control flow items. Take one item from the control flow called execute process task. This is a task which allows you to execute any Win32.exe file. Just drag and drop. As soon as you drag, you will find the red mark which indicates that this task is not ready for execute. It will show the message called executable is not specified. The reason why it is not executable. Expecting the exe. Click on icon, go back to editor and specify the executable as calc.exe. Say OK. Then take another task, script task, which allows you to write your customized script as a part of SSS packages. Map the previous task with this script task. Enter into script task. Select the scripting language as you preferred, either VB or C#. Enter into the editor and write your customized script over here. This is the first demo. Just I'm writing a small script over here as a part of. Specify your text as a part of message box. Just close it and say OK. Take another task called file system task, which allows you to perform the file operations like copying the files, deleting the files, renaming the files. All those operations we can carry with the help of this file system task. Double click on file system task. Choose the required operation, like here I'm selecting the copy file. Select the source, take one of the file from your existing location, just like here I'm taking the existing file from my C drive, say open, then specify the destination, create the new file on your desktop. Here the extension is needed because it's the only file operation, say OK. To see the output, just click on debug button. Here you will find three different colors. One yellow indicates that process is under execution, the green indicates successful completion of the particular task, and the red indicates execution error during the package. But here the three process gets executed successfully. With this, just I'm completing my demo. Thank you.